Hey up everyone, I'm Changi. It's the weekend and it's Friday night and I'm getting ready to do this. I'm going to put up another skin of block work around this wall. I've had some more blocks delivered. These are my facing blocks. Well, they're just a standard concrete block but better than what I've got here. So these are going in. I've got 4 packs on the front. But first I need to get rid of this hardcore that I've got here stored. This is going up. What's my dog doing? Hey! Come on! Anyway, I'm chucking this up here. I've got a little bit of fencing to finish off down there. Still got to put some more 4x3 in across the bottoms. But at the minute, that's ready for me to go at with some stone dust and hardcore ready for artificial grass. So I'm going to get all this hardcore moved up here and put it up the top of there. Right, there was about 3 ton here. The dog would not leave me alone. All he kept doing, everywhere I was trying to chuck the MOT, he was just getting in my way. So half the time I spent throwing a stick that I kept grabbing off him and winging it to the back of the garden. This is all recycled stuff. I got this off Tom Lee's Limited. He's got his own haulage company and he got it from Liverpool. I think it was about 14.5 quid a ton. But I did get a full load. It was what I used on the drive. Now that I've got all the material moved from down there, it's now up here. So I want to spread this up onto this section here now. I'm just covering all this little pathway with hardcore as well, so I don't get my feet dirty. Alright, so this is the walk I have to do. I've got 4 tons of stone, limestone grit to move. This is my limestone grit. I've got 4 tons of it, take round the back. So 3 shovels a time will do me. Up onto the knee on the block, and straight up onto the shoulder. I think it's only about 7:30. I'm waiting for Sean to get up so I can go and get my sack truck and stuff off him. Up through the house. And it is raining a little bit as well. Got my temporary steps and across the yard. I know you're supposed to put MOT under this, but I'm not. I've got a bit of MOT down here. Right, that's nearly a ton. So I've ordered 4 ton. Done 2 strips down here, and that will do me. That's like for the space of 2 meters. So I reckon what I'll do is I'll spread this off into this gap, this into that gap, and that'll give me 2 meters of spread per ton. So the 4 ton should do the 8 meters across. and that's what I reckon. And then I've got the task of deciding what the layout I want up there. I've got fake grass to put up there, but it's a compromise. They're only coming 4 metre by 4 metre sections, so I need to either break it up because I've got 8.4, so I don't want 2 joins. What I'd rather have is a section and then a nice section 4 metres and 4 metres, so I might do a path between or something like that. I'm not sure yet. The materials have gone down quite a bit. Hey up, I'm back. Right, we've done football this morning, 181. I got a yellow and I scored a goal, so that's alright, but it's 12 quid fine. Now we're back. I've put a mix on. I'm starting this block work. Starting my bond from this corner. I'm going to run everything out that way. This is I'm getting this corner in here, but I'm putting block flat in there. 2 colours of block flat, so as it's bonded through and it ties it nice together. And then the steps are going to have to come out there as well, so it's going to go up, round and turn up here. And the dog's doing a bit of lane as well, aren't you, dog? That's how far one mix has got me. So I've got my steps, how they're going to go up. Just pulling a little corner out off this to take that way. And then on the other side, I'm building up the first steps. I'm just tying these through with some wires. Should be plenty, but they'll only be in the fronts of my steps. You won't see them anyway. You'll only see one block. But yeah, that's one mix's worth. That's my boy.
Both of you were looking as well. You're so handsome.
I'll just get that out of the videos, won't I? I'd love taking us out with me, because he would just stay with me.
Are you helping Daddy, Bruce? Daddy working there. Should we put something more on that's a bit more jolly?
Put a kiss on then or something. Have you turned it off?
No, I've left it on. I'm just leaving it rolling.
So, Bruce has just given it the level test. Is it level, Bruce? I think he's just had that 4 foot spirit level up my work. I was about to kick him right up the arse. Don't ever, Bruce, oi, don't ever put a level up my work again. Alright. Now go find it. You'll be straight up them blocks. Cats. Go find it. Go on, go find it. Go on, find it. Find it. Find it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. He's not heavy enough doing out to that. But yeah, the dog sees cats. There's no cats there. Down. Off. Off.
Good boy, Brucey.
Well, that's my steps built. So that was my Sunday job. Done it so it's just a block being risen every time. And what you do is, you start at the back. Well, you gauge it out for your steps to see how many you need to rise. And then once you've done your rise on your steps, so if I do it, I wanted a full block, plenty to stand on. So when you've got these full blocks, it's pretty easy to gauge out. That fits a 450 slab on top as well. So that's ideal if you use a full block for your step, fits a nice slab on. And then all you want to do is fill it in at the back for your steps to sit on, really. That is what you should be doing, and then the rest of this back you can just fill in with earth. But that's a nice solid job done, that is. That can go off now, and then I can fill it all in, and then at least I can walk up to the back of here No mither. Very good.